There's nothing quite like the rich aroma of a fresh moka pot brewing on a quiet morning. This guide evaluates the best espresso makers on the market, focusing on material safety, heat-up speed, induction compatibility, and overall value. Whether you're a solo sipper or hosting a brunch, we've found the perfect pot for your stovetop. Product number 1. IMUSA Stovetop Espresso Maker 6-Cup Caribbean Colors Edition. The IMUSA Caribbean Colors Edition brings a vibrant cultural flair to the traditional coffee-making ritual. Inspired by the flags of Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, and Cuba, this 6-cup cast aluminum moka pot features a striking red, blue, and white aesthetic. Beyond its looks, the cast aluminum construction ensures rapid and even heat distribution, which is essential for extracting the rich, bold flavors typical of Cuban or Italian-style espresso. Equipped with a white, soft-touch handle and knob, this maker offers a comfortable, cool-to-the-touch grip, even when the pot is hot. The flip-top lid and easy pour spout minimize spills, making it a practical choice for serving multiple cafecitos during family breakfasts. While it lacks induction compatibility, its performance on gas and electric stovetops is exemplary for those seeking a reliable, high-capacity brewer with a unique, trendy design that stands out in any kitchen. Product number 2. Vaolvpant No Coating 6-Cup 304 Stainless Steel Moka Pot. For the health-conscious coffee lover, the Vaolvpant No Coating Moka Pot is a standout choice. Crafted from thickened 304 food-grade stainless steel, it avoids the chemical leaching concerns sometimes associated with coated aluminum pots. Its high polish finish is paired with a stylish wooden textured handle, offering a sophisticated Scandi industrial look that fits modern kitchen decors. This 300 milliliter 6-cup unit is highly versatile, featuring a heavy-gauge magnetic base that is fully compatible with induction, gas, and electric stoves. Users frequently praise its brewing speed, often delivering a rich crema-topped espresso in under 8 minutes. The no-coating interior ensures that the pure essence of the coffee beans is preserved without any metallic aftertaste. It is a durable, rust-resistant workhorse designed for those who want a long-lasting Italian-style brewer that bridges the gap between traditional stovetop methods and modern induction technology. Product number 3. Suiitat Induction Moka Pot 9 cups crystal glass top. The Suiitat Induction Moka Pot reimagines the classic design by adding a high borosilicate crystal glass top. This allows you to visually monitor the brewing process, preventing the common mistake of overheating or burning the coffee once it reaches the upper chamber. With a massive 450 milliliters or 9-cup capacity, it is arguably the best option in this Roundup for entertaining guests or large households. The bottom chamber is constructed from corrosion-resistant 304 stainless steel, making it compatible with all heat sources, including induction. The combination of clear glass and polished silver stainless steel gives it a premium, modern appearance. Despite its larger size, the capped spout design is engineered to prevent splashes during the gurgling phase. It is an excellent value for those who appreciate the theater of coffee brewing and need a high-volume output without sacrificing the authentic, strong taste of stovetop espresso. Product number 4. 2-cup 100 milliliters stainless steel moka pot, classic style. For individuals or couples who prefer a small, concentrated shot of espresso, this 2-cup 100 milliliter stainless steel moka pot is the ultimate space saver. Its compact design is perfect for minimalist kitchens or even as a high-quality camping accessory. Built entirely from stainless steel, it provides a much sturdier and rust-proof alternative to the tiny aluminum models often found in retail stores. The brewing process is exceptionally fast due to the small volume, delivering 2 demitasse servings of Greca-style coffee in just a few minutes. It features a safety outlet valve to prevent excessive pressure buildup and a heat-resistant handle for safe pouring. Its induction compatibility makes it a versatile tool for city dwellers with small cooktops. If you prioritize a quick, no-fuss morning espresso or want a portable brewer that doesn't compromise on material quality, this mini Moka pot is a fantastic, affordable entry point. Product number 5. Easyworkz Pedro Stovetop Espresso Maker 4-Cup. The Easyworkz Pedro is a masterpiece of modern manufacturing, utilizing high mirror polishing and 18/8 premium stainless steel. This 4-cup, 200 milliliter brewer is specifically designed for those who find 2 cups too little and 6 cups too much, the Goldilocks of Moka pots. A unique feature of the Pedro is the included reducer, which allows you to brew a smaller amount of coffee if you're alone without compromising the pressure needed for a good extraction. Its heavy-gauge magnetic base ensures stability and longevity on induction burners and gas stoves alike. The Pedro is also dishwasher safe, a rare convenience in the world of Moka pots. The heat-proof Bakelite knob and handle provide double protection against burns. With over a decade of manufacturing experience behind the brand, the Pedro offers a timeless classic feel with high-end thermal stability, making it the top choice for enthusiasts who want a professional-grade brewer at home.